Good day everyone. I am Dr. Maximo M. Chua Jr., Head Teacher 2 of Labsing Elementary School, Moncada North District, Schools Division of Tarlac Province. And today, I will share with you the most frequently asked questions about RPMS. So, what are the alternative observation for school year 2020-2021? There are three modes of observation we can use, namely online observation, observation of a video lesson, and observation of a demonstration teaching by a learning action cell. Who or what will determine the mode of observation? The modality adopted by the teacher will determine the mode of observation. I will adopt 2 to 3 learning modalities for the school year. What do I consider for observation? If online synchronous is one of your modalities, take option number 1 or the online observation as the sole mode of observation. If online asynchronous is one of your modalities and online asynchronous is not possible, take option number 2 or the observation of a video lesson. If online learning, synchronous or asynchronous, is neither of your modalities, take option number 3 or observation of a demonstration teaching via LAC session. Can I shift between modes of observation? Well, no. Use only one mode of observation for the entire year. I only have one online class with 5 learners in a week. Does online observation apply to me? Yes. Online observation applies to teachers adopting online synchronous learning regardless of the number of classes and learners. Does online observation apply to blended learning? Yes, as long as online synchronous learning is one of your modalities in blended learning. What if my online class was cut off due to the intermittent internet connection during my scheduled observation? Can I reschedule online observation? The answer is yes. You can reschedule the observation with your observers. Other factors outside the performance of the teacher, such as poor internet connection and sudden power outage, should not be graded against the teacher. How do I create a video lesson? You record yourself while teaching a lesson using any video recording device. Can I submit a video lesson that is not used in any of my classes? Well, for your answer, no. A video lesson must have been used in your lesson delivery as part of your supplementary materials or as one of your learning materials for online asynchronous learning. Is the video lesson used for TV-based instruction? No. The video lesson is a teacher-made learning material used for online asynchronous learning. In what learning modality does observation of a demonstration teaching by a learning action cell or LAC apply? This mode of observation applies to purely modular learning, print or digital, radio-based instruction, and TV-based instruction. Why is LAC utilized for teaching observation? This may be the best time to use LAC as an opportunity for both ratees and observers to discuss. Good day everyone, I am Dr. Maximo M. Chua Jr., Head Teacher 2 of Laksing Elementary School, Moncada North District, Schools Division of Tarlac Province. And today, I will share with you the most frequently asked questions about RPMS. So, what are the alternative observation for school year 2020-2021?